Okay, welcome back. It is day 218, I believe, of coding every single day. Um, yeah, so today I did not do much. Um, yeah, I didn't do much. I went to the gym. That was the only productive thing I really did today. Um, so didn't go to the lab at all. I still need to look over my advisor's notes on the project, because it would be nice to have a little head start on that before the week, because I want to model train this week so bad. I want it. We have our poster presentation not this week, but the week after that. I want that in the poster about like my results of using channel state information. So I'm gonna work towards that this week. As for what I actually did coding wise today, I said I might do something different. I did not do anything different. It was just leak code, um, and easy at that. So the question was like, given like an array, return the longest, pretty much a subarray that has no more of a difference of an interval of just like one between the minimum and maximum values in that subarray. Um, So I just sorted it because no matter what, they will all be within sequence if sorted, if the interval can't be greater than one, because they will either be the same exact value or right next to each other. Um, so did that and then did a sliding window. I don't know if that's the most optimal thing. It feels like it would be, um, of if the value on the right hand side is greater, or actually you just have a pointer on the right hand side on the left hand side and you check in a while loop, you're like, if this element, because it's always going to be greater, minus this one is not equal, or it's greater than one, right? Then we want to move in that left pointer. And we keep doing that on the while loop until either the pointers are equal to each other, or we have the condition of that right element and left element subtracted from each other equals one. And in that case, we can just set the max number equal to the current pointers minus each other plus one for index offset. So yeah, quite a simple leak code. And yeah, like I said, tomorrow will just be another leak code, but I want to probably maybe go to the lab tomorrow. I don't know, just to like kind of yeah get a head start on the week and begin data collection early in the week so I can start training later in the week. So, okay, that is all I have. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay.